We're gonna make some waffles.
Man, I'm stuck in the streets, shit get real. Banana split on your block, I feel. Remember when I ain't have enough for a meal, and I keep that beam run up under my steel. Got back home after making a deal, 20 racks for the pack that's sealed. Can you tell me how I really feel? Cause I'm stuck in a block where you gotta conceal. Damn, I've been stuck before and I've been stuck again. Looking all along, Bando was my friend. Yeah, my cup is full on these shots I send my stack. Alright, let's go through the ingredients. First, you got the magic baking powder.
We got some salt, you know.
We got the granulated white sugar.
White flour, motherfucker.
The measuring tools.
Vanilla extract, what white people are made out of.
Imperial. I can't believe it's not butter.
You know what this is. Moo moo, motherfucker.
And last but not least, let's fuck with the waffle maker. Where's that shit?
Get her for Belge.
Alright, get to stirring your wet ingredients, bro. Wet.
That bowl is as dry as your DMs.
Make. Fucking pour that shit in. Oh fuck. Look at the flick there is. Whooping up open the crack pot.
That's what good pussy sounds like. Right? Right in the shit.
I think it's finished.
Is it?
Let's just eat the waffles like this now. Nest quick, because we don't have no chocolate.
Nest slow. You know what? Mom's gonna be really mad if I don't clean this up. I better do it.
Let's go see what Merrick's doing. Oh, I like it.
I just stir it again.
Chef Merrick.
Because this dumbass doesn't know how to fucking stir.
I stir your girlfriend. Magic baking powder.
There's seriously a pouring thing on it.
Do you think that's too much?
No. That's good right there. Now press it.
Mine is done. Let's see your snowflake waffle, Merrick.
It's not a snowflake, motherfucker.
Let me see. Looks like my grandma's ass. Oh shit, it's fucked. We didn't put more pan.
Let's see that.
No, I can't open it.
Goddamn.
What are you doing, Mark?
Your mama's mama.
Holy fuck.
What you say? As you love me my way. I'ma feel like a t-shirt.
Chicken cheese pizza, I was slicing, I want it bad. So in the pizza, chicken cheese pizza, I was shit and I want it bad. Chicken and pizza,
I got stacks.
It is all cleaned up. I'm just gonna clean that up. Show me your finished products, Mark.
We got Belgian waffles with a truffle base and Asiago berry. I worked really hard for these pancakes, and this song's fucking awesome. Hey Jordan, let's see your finished product.
As you can see, we got 2, not 3, of the same waffles Merrick had.
Oh my god.
I feel like they're pretty sexy.
Holy fuck.
And I kind of just fucked it up. But you know what? That's
Dude,
what I think.
I think you should karate chop it. Oh shit. Didn't break.
Fucking wax on, wax off. Mara soak.
It didn't break.
Break your girlfriend.
Oh, it's so good. Oh. Dude. Oh my god. Speed Racer. Canada.
Jizz in my pants. I'm about to jizz, in my pants. Alright, bro. You ready to eat these?
No, we're not eating them. We're gonna throw them in the garbage.
Oh, fuck. Alright, this has been Cooking with the Sandaar, which includes yours truly, Goldaar, and
The Booty Master Merrick, aka Sando.
Man, all black.